you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video. I don't know if at all you remember, I mentioned this in my last monthly favorite, that I found a life-changing product that actually changed the texture of my hair, okay? And today we are going to be talking about that, and that is Olaplex. This is the hair perfector. I have the number 3, which is a take-home kind of a mask that you apply, okay? And it is absolutely beautiful. And let me just tell you why it was life-changing. Before I left for Dubai, I did a few hair coloring treatments at home because I thought I could be really smart about it. And also the fact that every 10 days I have to do a root touch-up because 60 to 70% of my hair is white. I've had this ever since I was 16, and I used to color my hair every 10 days because I've got stubborn grays. Nothing I can do, you guys. It's hereditary. I damaged the ends so badly that there was no point of return. It was an SOS kind of a situation. So when I went to Dubai, I thought, okay, you know what? I'm going to color my hair professionally, but at the same time, I'm just going to chop it off. And it really, really broke my heart. They introduced me, one of the hairdressers introduced me to Olaplex. Well, not introduced me, they reintroduced me to Olaplex, and they were like, why don't you do this treatment? Do the step 1 and 2, which you have to do with the beauty parlor. And step number 3, you can do it at home and do a couple of them. Like I'm talking about twice in a month or once every month, and see how your hair will listen to it and play with it. And then if it's still not okay, then you go and chop it off. So ever since I did this treatment in Dubai, I did trim my hair a little bit, and then I put the Olaplex 1 and 2, which has to be a parlor service. And number 3 is something that I did eventually after a week or so. I bought a bottle and I just applied that at home, and I just cannot tell you how life-changing this product is. Not only has it rescued my damaged ends, it has given me the shine, which a lot of you have noticed in my videos. When I went to Kerala, I did do a keratin treatment, which I was not very happy about. But after Kerala, I remember I went to Bombay, and this was just on the 3rd week, and my hair became, like how it was before. It was not falling straight like how a Brazilian blow dry and keratin should. But I know one thing for sure, leave all that aside, there are a couple of hair products which I mentioned, one of the shampoos in my last monthly favorite, and this one has really rescued my hair. My hair was in that SOS situation, and it's taken me out of that position, and it has really rescued my hair, leaving it really soft, manageable, frizz-free. If you touch my hair right now, you have to touch it to believe how soft it is. It is so beautiful. Olaplex is amazing. So when this was introduced in the market, everyone thought that this was only for blonde hair or for people who have just gone completely from dark to blonde, and the damage was really severe. But this is also a standalone product. So many people, especially hairstylists in London and in the US, everybody uses this, especially people who have even gone drastically from really dark hair to platinum blonde. It is expensive because number 3 bottle is around 20 pounds depending on where you get it, and certain parlors sells it for around 30 pounds. And step 1 and 2 alone itself is another additional 30 pounds, which you have to do it only once in a month. And I'm sure that if you go to certain places that retail Olaplex to beauty parlors, they would give you a lesser price. Like certain beauty parlors have got huge bottles of it. So it is step 1, 2 and 3 so far, and apparently end of the year, step 4 and 5 is going to be launched by Olaplex, and that is the shampoo and conditioner, which I'm super excited about. So I'm going to start my vlog when I'm taking you to my hairstylist, and she's going to run you guys through step 1 and step 2. I'm going to use a little bit of subtitles because the sound may be really low because it was really noisy in the parlor. For people with really sensitive scalp, you won't feel a thing because this is all the protein that is going to your hair strands. So yeah, let's get started with the vlog, and let me show you how wonderful Olaplex is.
The Olaplex treatment that we do here is part 1, 2 and 3. 3 is to take home and to do the treatment. Yeah. Part 1 and 2 is an in-salon service, here, standalone service. So the number 1 goes on for about 10 minutes onto the dry hair so it can absorb it fully, and then after the 10 minutes you put the number 2 on, leave that on for between 5 and 10 depending on how much hydration the hair needs. It will help the strength of your hair, for heat damage, it will help with the shine and everything else. It's wonderful. So
anyone, it's not
anyone
only,
can have
anyone
it.
can have
It's
it.
wonderful. If you've already got colour treated hair, then it most definitely will help because it's more of a bronze multiplier. It helps the shape of the hair.
Does it add keratin to the hair?
so, but it
Deep
just helps
conditioning.
it just helps the strength of the hair really, so you can then combat daily things that will do for the hair, like the environment and the brushing, the excessive sort of heat damage that flows on without meaning to sometimes.
And how long does it usually last for?
It lasts in the hair for, I would say, it kind of fades out slowly, the nourishment, like within a couple of months. We then advise you to come back between 6 to 8 weeks for just a top-up service. That's just number one. Number two, beg pardon. And that's £16 for a 10-minute service. You will instantly feel like the nourishment's been put back in the hair because it wears off. So that's really nice. And then we ideally say the number 3 treatment you use at home once a week.
Once a week.
Yes, and that's £30 to take away the number 3 treatment.
Yes.
And that just keeps it feeling good, looking good, until you come back around into the salon for number part 2. Or if you want to, you don't have to do the 1 and 2 together standalone treatments for quite a long time. Maybe you can do a couple a year. I'm going to do the higher mixture one because you've got longer and thicker hair, so I want to make sure that we're not scrimping and scraping on the product. It's a lot to nourish throughout the whole hair.
So you'll be shampooing the hair first and then this, or just after? Okay.
Because with Olaplex, a lot of people think it's just a treatment. It's not. It's a lot more than that. It's more of an intensive, scientifically, it's more of a bond multiplier. So that needs to be like a pre-treatment. And then we'll do a lovely shampoo and conditioner followed with Moroccan oil products. So this is sulfate. Sulfate is free, and paraben free, alcohol free.
Okay, excellent. So in goes the step 1, isn't it?
Step 1, 8 mils water, 15 mils part 1, number 1 Olaplex. Can apply on wet hair, apply it on dry. I have done it on dry and I feel like it just absorbs it a little bit more. It's
on dry hair?
Versatile, yeah, it's a versatile product, so it's great to, you know, use it wet or dry.
I've been there 3 times now. First time we went was for our Christmas.
Use it in a tray in order for it to catch all the goodness.
Okay.
It's like gold dust, you know.
Yeah.
So
You don't want to waste anything.
Absolutely.
And usually for my length, would 1 bottle do? Like a number here?
The maximum is like an 80 ml. For the shorter, finer hair, we sometimes do 60 mils of water.
Okay.
For yours, I've gone straight in with the 80.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll be timing you for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
We're just going to pour the excess bit called pour the excess of number 1 on.
Okay.
We have no waste. Good generous amount of number 2.
So that goes from the scalp onwards to
Yes, I like to do it from. I mean, obviously this part here is fairly healthy hair, but I think it all needs a bit of goodness. So, and that's your parts where it tends to be a little bit more frizzy to the environment, so it's better to cure them as well. So this is our ultra big size of number 2.
Okay. Oh, that's amazing. I'm actually excited for the shampoo and conditioner to be honest.
so are we, yeah.
But let me just show you. Can you see that shine? And it just made it a lot more softer, and that's what Olaplex 1 and 2 does. You can do that in the parlor because they would know how to mix. And like she said, it's something that they retail only to the beauty parlors. And number 3, you can use it at home, take a coin size and leave it on, you know, the previous night and then wash it off the next day. Hey you guys, welcome back. It's Tuesday evening. It is so bloody hot. I've got the fan in the background. I'm really sorry about the noise. Nothing I can do. I'm sweating, and I just thought that it's a good enough time for me to wear this conditioner. I'm just going to dampen my hair and I'll just be back. So basically I'm just going to wet it, just take a little bit of water and I'll just dampen it, and I'm just going to apply this on my damp hair. Just take a little bit of it. It's quite of a thick, it's a thick conditioner, alright? So as you can see, it's like a gloopy thick one. So I'm just going to take just about this one, so more than a coin size of it, and I'm going to divide my hair into 2 and I'm going to generously apply that. The smell, the fragrance in this is not the best, but you know, it's all good for your hair. I'm just going to nicely massage my hair. Just a rough braiding done over here. So that's it, I've tied my hair. I'm just going to leave it overnight, and tomorrow morning I'm going to shampoo and I don't think I need to even condition, but I'm just going to, you know, wash this off, shampoo and conditioner. Can you see that? This is the bottle, and I've got a lot more conditioner, which I am going to store it in a very cool place. And this is me after washing my hair and after cool drying it. I'm talking about a hair dryer on cool setting, and I don't even use any heat. I don't even use you know, hair straightener, nothing. I have just been refraining away from it, especially during summertime. You don't want to add a lot more heat to your hair and damage it even more. So this is just cool dry. That is why it is like really wavy. What Olaplex does is it works to mend the structure of the hair rather than smothering it in moisture to mask the damage. So coloring your hair eats away your hair protein, and it just completely, you know, breaks apart the sulfur bond. And what Olaplex does is it repairs that bond. It links the bonds together, and it prevents further damage, and it makes it much more smoother and shinier. So a lot of the hairstylists, what I started noticing is they add this to the developer as well when they're coloring your hair, so that it'll be a lot less harsher and a lot more manageable after the color goes. You will not see it being even more drier. If your hair has reached, like I said, that really SOS situation, badly damaged, and you want to rescue your hair before going for that final chop, you can definitely get this done to your hair, and you will see such a drastic difference to your hair. And the more that you do the treatment, because once you do the step 1 and 2, all you need to do to maintain every month is a top up, okay? And top up is half the price of the step 1 and 2. Another thing what I noticed with this is it kind of like stops hair fall at the same time. It makes the hair strands a lot more stronger, and it gives a slight bounce to the hair. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know what you think about it. Are you going to use it? Are you going to try it out? Or what is the other mask that has rescued your hair? Just share it, guys. It'll be nice to know your point of view as well. So I shall see you in my next one. Until later, bye.